Hello girls, how you doing? I start with freshly washed hair. My chunky twists are already detangled, so no longer need for me to use any detangling tool here. As you will notice along the video, each leg of the twist is a Bantu knot in the making. I don't really care about my parts being neat, to be honest, but if you do, please feel free to go on and create design of choice. So I spray, let's say, I use water and the oil serum directly on the base to smoothen it up, and then I applied shea butter at the ends. Why? Because our hands are the oldest and the weakest part of our hair, so they need to be pampered. If we want to retain length, yes, that's the key secret. Always moisturize your hands way more than the rest of the hair trend. Another reason why I tend to use shea butter combined with oil serum instead of mousse or gels, for that matter, because I realize it brings shines and body to my hair. You can use any moisturizer of choice. These two do just fine for me. Onto the Bantu knot process now. I twist the section as I go all the way up from the roots, holding firmly the base. Then I proceed to wrap it around itself in a twirling or circling or circular motion. I make sure I hold the base for some better grip. I continue wrapping around the base of that knot until there's no hair left to do so. Then I repeat this process all over my head. Extra tips: think of loosen this tie up if needed to avoid unnecessary tension that might cause some discomfort or headaches along the day or the night. Whatever you feel like rocking this hairstyle too. If your hair is shorter than mine, consider parting in some more sections. It took me altogether about 10 minutes to achieve a very quick hairstyle. By the way, where I'm from, this hairstyle is called mataba. My surprise when I found out it was called Bantu knots on YouTube. Kind of makes sense. What's it called? Where are you from? Let us know down below in the comment section. I'm pretty sure it goes by a different name. prevent the knots from unraveling on you, I highly recommend to secure the base under these knots using rubber bands, like so. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're interested in seeing more simple and quick hairstyle inspiration. I post every Sunday as a reminder.